Yo, what's good everybody? It's the Ant Dog, much love and peace. Check it out, man. I'm gonna be dropping this chili recipe for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Alright, so for this epic chili, we got some zucchinis, ginger garlic, we got the peppers, we got the tomato, we got the celery, we got the onions, we got the jalapeno with lime, we got this vegan tomato paste, and we got some coconut oil in the pot, so let's get it. First, we're going to saute these onions, then we're going to throw in the celery, you know what I'm saying, whip all that up, make sure it's cooked nice and good. We're going to put them orange and green peppers up in there, you know what I'm saying. Make sure those are stirred up, get those sauteed in first, and then we're going to add in our jalapenos, and then the ginger garlic. The order is really important, so make sure. I'm going to add in the zucchini. So you see I put in the tomatoes. I'm going to hit it with some of this lime. That lime juice, make sure you get all of it too, just half. And then we got this vegan tomato paste, organic. All of my ingredients are organic, so that's important, that's imperative. I don't want these. And then I noticed like the freaking thing was like closed off. I felt so dumb. I was like trying to squeeze it up in there. So after we get the tomato paste in there, just add a little bit of water, you know what I'm saying? This will just make it so like it don't burn on the bottom. And you're gonna want it to be a little watery and runny anyway, so it'll help. So I got all these organic beans, garbanzo beans, pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans. We're gonna add all of them up in there. So I couldn't like scoop it all out because I only had like one hand on my phone and one hand on the can, so you know. And it's a perfect recipe to bring to a barbecue, man. Any potluck, like this chili, everybody ate the chili. It was so good. You put the chili on the burgers. You put chili on anything, really. So all the seasonings, man. We got the curry powder, 6 chili powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, onion powder, turmeric, salt, and a couple other spices. I'm not gonna show you all that, but you know, just be light with the cayenne pepper. Throw some thyme up in there. You know, I like a lot. But that's about how much I put of everything right there. A little paprika. I put a lot of oregano because the herb is so important. So we're just gonna drop a whole bunch of oregano in there. All the oregano. And then we made a barbecue sauce after that, so it's just like half and half tomato mustard. Put a little tiny bit of organic blueberry syrup, a little bit more of that tomato paste, and then I had some soy sauce packets I put up in there. And then that's how we made the barbecue sauce. A little paprika, salt, pepper, and it came out really good. We put that on the shish kabobs. So just go ahead, you know what I'm saying, cut up all your veg, you know, pour that on there, massage it in, let it marinate in the fridge for about, you know, 15-20 minutes, and then start packing it on your skewers, bring it to your potluck, you know what I'm saying. Hope you guys enjoy it.